Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to create a blog post template in Elementor. Why you should create blog post template? Actually, if you want to add blog post with Elementor, then you should create a blog post template. That's why then you can use it again and again just with a single click. If you don't create it, then you have to add every single post with a different design. Okay, so if you want to do it quickly, then you can create a blog post template, and next time when you need, then you can use it just within a single click. In this tutorial I will show you how to create this type of blog post template and how can you use it. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks, and inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. This is my website and currently I visit a blog post which I created with the pre-built post template, and definitely I have created this post template. Okay, you can see very fast it shows an image, then the left side text and our services. If you want, then you can add services or anything that you need or that you want. Then the Google map, if you want, then you can add here calendar or anything else that you need. Okay, then I have given a title, then the text. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can do it. Okay, so go to the admin dashboard. I hope already you have installed and activated the Elementor plugin. After install and activating the Elementor plugin, Elementor option will be added in the left side menu. You can see this is the Elementor, and just below the Elementor shows template. If you hover on it, then it shows some options. Actually, in this tutorial I want to add a blog post template. That's why I have to click here add new. Okay, so if you click here add new, then you will be able to add a template, or if you click here save template, just click here. Okay, then you have to click here add new template. You have to click here add new template. Okay, this is the new template option. Choose template type, select, just click this down arrow, then you have to select page. Okay, then the name your template. I want to give just blog post template. Already I have created, so this is the blog post template, or you have to write here okay, blog post template, then just create. Now you have to design the template. Actually it depends on you how you can do it. Okay, so just hit on this plus icon and give flex box here. Then very first I want to give an image. Okay, you can see this is the image and I want to give an image. So just click this plus icon and write here image. You can see this is the image, or you can search here image, then drag and drop here and choose an image. Just click here choose image, and if already you have uploaded image, then you can choose from the media library, or if you want, then you can upload from your device. Just upload files, then select files, and this is the hover image. Already I have prepared it, then open. From the right side bottom, click select. Okay, this is the image. Then scroll down, then you can add more section here like this. Okay, so I want to give 2 column here, so again click this plus sign, then the 2 column, and very first column I want to give like here it will be like 75%, and this column will be 25%. Okay, now I want to add text here. So from the left side you can see this is the text editor, or you can search here. This is the text editor. Now you can give text here. So I can just copy this demo text and paste here. Okay, in left side, if you want image, then you can give here, or like I want to give like a calendar. Okay, actually I can give it here. Okay, this is the calendar and public. Okay, or if you want, then you can give here anything else. Then again I want to give like image here, so again plus click this plus icon and drag and drop image here and give image. I want to give it from the media library, so I can give it like this image. Okay, no, it does not look better, so again I can give like here this. Okay, then again add a new section, click on this plus icon. Okay, then the text I want to give a title, then copy this text and paste here. Now publish it. Actually I just showing the process, you can do it which you need. Okay, in this way you can create the post template. Okay, save it, then again go to the admin dashboard. Now I want to add a post. Okay, so I want to use this post template and want to add a post. So again this is the post. I hope you know how you can add a post. So hover on this post and click add post, then give the post title. I want to give this post title like this, top 5 WordPress theme. Copy it and just paste here. Okay, then publish it and edit with Elementor. Just click here, edit with Elementor. Very fast, it shows plus sign, then this icon, folder icon, click on this folder icon, then navigate to the page template. This is very fast blog, then the page, you can see this is the page and then the template. Already I have created template, this is the template, and you can see blog post template which I have created very fast. Okay, now I can insert here. This is the insert preview and this is the insert. Click here, yes, apply. Yes, you can see our post is showing here. Okay, this is the post and publish it. Now visit our post, go to the admin dashboard. Like this is our website. Go to the all post and visit the post. You can see the template is showing. Now if you want, then you can edit it again with the Elementor. Okay, you can see you can edit the post from here. So in this way you can make the post template and you can use it. So if I just showing the process, okay, if you can design it as per your need. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.